Hello and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace your hairstyle and add makeup to your face. If you have not watched my previous video on how to transform your outfit, kindly go to my channel, search for how to change your outfit on Canva. You will see the video and watch it, follow the step-by-step guide and transform your own outfit. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so now. Please, this is the only way you can appreciate me for giving out knowledge. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like and share this video. Don't forget to comment too. I want to appreciate my new subscribers. You all are welcome. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for commenting on my previous video. You are welcome. Subscribers, join the family. So let's go over to Canva photo editor and start creating magic. Right here on Canva editor, you upload your photo. I showed you how to upload your photo in my previous video. Click on effect, go over to magic edit, then use the brush tool to brush over the area you want to replace. Or you can reduce the brush size or increase it depending on what you want to achieve. If you want to get the tiniest part, you reduce it. Then you tap continue and type in what you want to generate in details inside the box and tap generate. View all the generated images and keep tapping on generate new result if you are not satisfied with the result you have, but note that it is limited to 25 times per day. So this is how to change your hairstyle with Canva. Then when it comes to adding makeup to your face, what I found out is that Canva uses another person's face to replace your own face, no matter how you described it. So the technology is limited and they are improving. You understand? So for now, what you will get is a replaced face, not your own face with makeup, as you can see on the screen. So once it gets to this point, you keep trying until you see one that looks similar to your face. Okay, that is it for now. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye for now.